Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heavy-duty vacuum cleaners available on the market for their true quality and performance. Whether you're a pet owner, someone looking for deep cleaning power, or just someone who wants reliable cleaning equipment, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5 is the Oreck Commercial XL vacuum cleaner. This model is designed with commercial-grade cleaning power, but is versatile enough for home use. Its high-speed brush roll offers exceptional agitation to lift deeply embedded dirt from carpets while also being effective on hard floors. At just 9 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight for its category, making it easy to maneuver around rooms and carry upstairs, a key selling point for users looking for convenience. One standout feature is its automatic height adjustment, which allows the vacuum to adapt seamlessly between different floor types without manual intervention. The ergonomic helping hand handle adds to its usability, making extended cleaning sessions less taxing. However, being a bagged vacuum, it may not appeal to those who prefer bagless designs for quicker maintenance. The Oreck Commercial XL is a great choice for those seeking a lightweight yet powerful vacuum cleaner. While it lacks the advanced filtration systems of other models on this list, its straightforward design and reliable performance make it a solid option, particularly for users who prioritize ease of use and portability. Its commercial-grade durability also adds long-term value, especially for those with high cleaning demands. Coming in at number 4 is the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance, this one's for you. With a price tag of just $94.49. It's the most affordable vacuum on this list, yet it still offers powerful pet hair pickup thanks to its triple-action brush roll and scatter-free technology. This makes it a great choice for pet owners on a budget. The design includes a quick-release extension wand for above-floor cleaning, along with swivel steering that makes navigating around furniture a breeze. It's lightweight and easy to handle, which is a big bonus for users who don't want a bulky machine. However, the vacuum's build quality feels less robust compared to some higher-end models, and its noise level might be slightly higher than what some users prefer. Despite its lower price, the CleanView Swivel Pet Reach delivers excellent value for everyday cleaning tasks. It's ideal for households with pets, and every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, adding a charitable bonus to your purchase. While it doesn't have premium features like HEPA filtration, it's a fantastic entry-level option that gets the job done efficiently. At number 3, we have the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This model is a fantastic mid-range option, priced at $189.99, and it offers a balanced combination of power, versatility, and advanced features. The lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod for portable cleaning, making it ideal for reaching under furniture or tackling stairs and upholstery. A major highlight is its anti-allergen complete seal technology, which works with a HEPA filter to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens. This makes it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. The vacuum also features a large 0.9-quart dust cup, reducing the frequency of emptying during cleaning sessions. The swivel steering ensures easy maneuverability, and the included upholstery and crevice tools add versatility. While the Shark Navigator NV360 is slightly heavier than some other models, its performance and durability justify the weight. It's perfect for households that need a reliable vacuum for both carpets and hard floors, and its pet-friendly features add extra value for homes with furry companions. Overall, it's a solid all-rounder that delivers on both performance and practicality. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Vacuum. This model is a versatile powerhouse, especially for pet owners, thanks to its triple-action brush roll that effectively lifts embedded pet hair. Priced at $119.99, it offers excellent value for its performance, making it a strong choice for budget-conscious buyers. The large-capacity dirt tank and easy empty design mean less frequent trips to the trash can, while the swivel steering ensures smooth navigation around furniture. The vacuum also comes with specialized pet tools for targeted cleaning on stairs, upholstery, and other hard-to-reach areas. It's lightweight and user-friendly, which adds to its overall appeal. Although it doesn't include advanced features like a HEPA filter, the Bissell 2252 excels in its core functionality. It's perfect for homes with mixed flooring and pets, delivering reliable cleaning performance without breaking the bank. For those who want a dependable vacuum with pet-centric features, this one is hard to beat. And finally, taking the #1 spot on our list is the Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum Cleaner. At $449, it's the most expensive vacuum featured here, but its top-tier features and performance justify the investment. This model boasts Shark's Duo Clean technology, which uses a dual brush roll system to detect and remove hidden dirt and debris on both carpets and hard floors. The IntelliSense sensors automatically adjust suction power and brush roll speed for optimal cleaning on any surface. What sets this vacuum apart is its Dirt Detect technology, which intelligently boosts cleaning power in areas with heavier dirt concentration. It also includes an anti-allergen complete seal and a HEPA filter, trapping 99.99% of dust and allergens. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap, making it a dream for pet owners. Additionally, the powered lift-away feature allows you to clean hard-to-reach places with ease. While its price tag may deter budget shoppers, the Shark POWERDETECT is the ultimate vacuum for those seeking premium performance, advanced technology, and durability. It's ideal for large homes, pet owners, and anyone who wants the best in heavy-duty cleaning. If you're serious about keeping your home spotless, this vacuum is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.